Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to create carousel pins on Pinterest. You know, in simple word, you can say how to upload multiple photos at one time on Pinterest. So we're going towards create thing and we have to drag or drop that and drop the megazerts. These are images I am using. The three images, there are two options. If you want to create a collage, you can select this option, or if you want to create a carousel, so you can select this or something. So we're going with this option here, NMP point preview thing. Okay, you can see the first one is this one, second one is this one, or if you want to change, the first one will be this, and second one will be this. You can do it also. And click on done. Then you have to have some description. If you want to add some title, you can add, like I'm going to add a title here, grips.john. If you want to add our destination link, you can add, like I'm going to add my instant username here. Jaguango.com, I'm playing GMF50 and just not finding it, and then you can't publish. I hope you like this little tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.